this is Albert from OCRV. We got here this custom build. We got here going for a Peterbilt. We're turning a Peterbilt into a RV. It's a quarter-inch steel, solid steel. We got like at least 50 gallons of just bonding, just blocking, 1,000 hours of just blocking and body work, making all of the smooth, everything, making this perfect, getting ready for the primer. And you guys come around over this way. This is the side where we're already primer ready and getting ready to block out and get ready for paint. We got the slide out going, all this, we just barely got it primer today. This is what you like, or you like want to do something, anything you want to build, give us a call here in OCRV.